Oh, Oculus news. I saw a report, I think it was yesterday, day before, saying that Facebook was shifting a large portion of the workforce into VR and AR related stuff, taking a big long look and putting a big bet down, I guess, on the Oculus aspect of their business. Now, we have apparently an actual number, nearly 10,000 people at Facebook working on AR and VR. 10,000. I just want you to picture 10,000 people working on AR and VR. 10,000 intelligent people, 10,000 engineers and programmers and
testers.
It's a lot. That's some manpower.
Yeah.
We might see some things.
Mm-hmm.
I was playing around with the Oculus last night.
Oh, yeah? What'd you think?
I was playing around with the Oculus Go 2.
Oculus Quest.
Quest 2.
The wireless.
What was the Go?
It's almost the same thing.
Anyway, I was playing with the Quest.
Let me just check here.
Was Go cheaper?
It was cheaper.
Oh, yeah. Go was the cheaper one. No. I was playing with the Quest 2. Better than the Go.
Yeah.
Because I had the controllers, the motion controllers.
Yep.
And all of a sudden, man, my kids got into it. Yeah. Like, I got scared, man.
Yeah, you were living?
Because the level, the level of immersion.
Yeah.
With like you said, without wires.
Uh-huh.
And with everything being embedded in the headset and having a relatively lightweight headset experience.
Yep. You kind of just draw your room.
And so what we did is the kids were in it, I was in it, and also my dad, we put him in it.
Oh. What did he think?
He was like, I can't. He was like, I can't
put it down?
No. He was like, I can't be in there too long. He's like, I'm gonna fall over. He can't be in there too long. But
there's some fun games.
But
like
he loved it though.
Game.
He loved it though.
Yeah.
But the kids, I was like, oh man, I better monitor what's going on here because all of a sudden I didn't see Will for a while, and then he's just in the headset for hours on end, and then guess what? Then he forgets his boundary and he's doing some kind of punching game. And he punches square the wall, blood everywhere on the knuckles.
Yeah, that happens.
And I was like, "Do not."
Happens to the best of us.
I was like, "Do not show your mother. This what's going on over here." Anyway, no, man, it's for the money. The entertainment potential for the money is out of control.
Yeah,
it's out of control on that device. $299 USD. Get out of town.
Yeah, you can't go wrong with it.
By the way, I'll tell you one other thing. I think since you set it up, they were buying games on your credit card.
Yeah, I got some. I got some receipts over here that I need to reimburse.
And I couldn't figure out how to put another card on it. But anyway,
sure.
Nonetheless, whether or not you choose to believe me, Will was like. He's like, I'm buying it, Dad. I'm buying it. I got to get Beat Saber and this one and that one. Anyway, point being is they have an experience. They have a pretty good experience already for the money. And Facebook's a huge company and they're betting on it and they put 10,000 people on it. And I'm curious to see what all those 10,000 people are going to get up to. There's a scary aspect to it, which is like, are you going to be able to get out of it?
Yeah.
Are you going to be able to put the headset down once it's all got all your social media components and gaming components, entertainment component? It's but then on the flip side, so long as you have some level of discipline in your life, it can really give you a punch
until it gets so much better.
Yeah, that you're stuck.
Yeah.